everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey to one of Maine's most picturesque coastal towns, Ogunquit. Known for its beautiful beach, charming downtown, and vibrant art scene, Ogunquit is the perfect getaway. Our first stop is the heart of Ogunquit, its lively downtown. We love exploring the unique shops and local art galleries. There's something so special about the small town vibe here that just makes you want to slow down and take it all in. From handmade crafts to delicious treats, this town has it all. And you can't miss the friendly locals and visitors that make this place feel so welcoming. Next up, we're heading to the stunning Ogunquit Beach, one of the most beautiful beaches in New England. With its soft sands, clear waters, and incredible views, it's no wonder this beach is a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Whether you're here to swim, sunbathe, or just take in the view, Ogunquit Beach never disappoints. Today, we're just soaking up the sun and enjoying the ocean breeze. After a day of exploring and taking in all the beauty of Ogunquit, it's easy to see why this town is such a beloved spot for so many. Whether you're here for a day or a whole week, Ogunquit offers a little something for everyone. This place is perfect for a day of relaxation or adventure. Explore the tidal pools during low tide and see small marine life up close. Try surfing or paddleboarding on the gentle waves, or rent a kayak to explore the Ogunquit River, which offers a peaceful retreat from the ocean. Don't forget to visit the beachside eateries like Splash for some delicious food with a view. And if you're into sports, join a game of beach volleyball, or just enjoy some classic beach games. During low tide, the sandbar reveals more areas to explore. And the sunsets here are truly magical, perfect for a memorable end to your day. Keep an eye out for wildlife, too. The Ogunquit River area attracts various seabirds, adding to the natural beauty of this coastal paradise. Thanks so much for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Let us know in the comments your favorite part of Ogunquit, or where we should explore next. Until next time, keep exploring.